Hello everyone, welcome to Next Gen AI Academy. I hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to learn about how to perform tooltip action. To learn this concept, we will be using Google Image URL. Tooltip means when we move the mouse pointer above any web element, it will display an information about it. For example, this is Google Image. Then this is search box, and when you move about this, search by icon, then search by voice, and so on. So our requirement is we have to launch the Google Image URL and then tooltip the Google Image and also validate the tooltip text. Okay, let's code the scenario. First step, create the class name, tooltip Google Image, public static void main, finish. After that, we are going to use the Chrome browser and launch the URL and maximize it. The next step, we have to create an instance in action class by passing the WebDriver instance, because we are going to perform the mouse event. So actions class object name equal to new keyword action constructor, then driver object, semicolon, import the package. Now we have to tooltip this particular image. Let's try to inspect this. So Google Image, and you can see the ID. So we will use the ID locator. So web element Google Image equal to driver dot find element by dot ID locator and its value, semicolon, import the package. Using the move to element, we can tooltip it. So the object name is action dot move to element. The element name is Google Image. This will keep the mouse pointer at middle of the image dot perform. Let's execute and see at the mouse pointer. See the mouse pointer, we got Google Images. So wherever your mouse pointer is there, at that position you will get that information. Next step, we have to validate this tooltip. When you inspect, the attribute name title will contains the text. So validating the tooltip message. First, let's save it to the actual image text equal to Google Image dot get attribute, and the attribute name we know it is title. Then string expected image text equal to, we know its value from the requirement document. So it's a Google Images. Let's verify if both actual image text dot equals expected image. If both the actual and expected values are same, then we will pass the output message both the actual and expected tooltip text are same. In addition to that, it is always a good practice to display the image text. So the tooltip text is display the actual image text. What is the text during the runtime? In case if the tool text image are not same, then add these 3 lines as mandatory. Both the actual and expected tooltip text are not same, and what is the value of actual and the expected. Let's execute this program again. See Google image, it is displaying. I think execution completed. Both the actual and expected tooltip text are same and the text is Google Images. Then at the end driver dot close. So we are done with the requirement. Hope you got a good clarity about this topic. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.